Ah. It's like after I don't know, like what, 5 hours? Just a day. Anyways, have you ever felt like your current home office desk setup was already okay, but thought to yourself for your productivity might increase only if you had that new home office setup with LED gaming lights, and decided to create a YouTube video about it, charge it to company expense, and say it's for content? Yeah. If you feel the same way and you want to see me changing my home office setup just to make it look kinda the same, do stick around, and here's the video. YouTube intro. So, welcome to Tech Hive, where we do tech-related things, product reviews, IT do-it-yourself, or sort of kind of tech stuff like this video. Anyways, it's the end of 2020, and a lot of things that we thought was temporary is now starting to become a new norm, including wearing face masks, washing our hands, that awkward elbow breathing, and people with glasses like me fogging up because we're wearing masks. But anyways, more obviously, another thing that is becoming a new normal is working from home. Insert memes of parents being tormented by their kids. And to be honest, my current setup, it's already okay and can accommodate most basic tasks. This was more of kinda optimizing me and my wife's home office setup. As before, only I was the one that had an office table, but I would like her to have her own space. So for Christmas, I decided to ask my wife to buy me an office table. So, I ordered this desk from eBay. Good, right? I can hear it from the comments now. People saying I should have bought my wife, an office setup for Christmas. But just to let you know, she wanted a fancy winter coat, so I'll be upgrading my own setup so that she can upgrade hers. Good choice, right? Anyways, basic flashback disclaimer: this video was shot about 2 weeks ago with my business partner, and I can assure you, no animals were harmed during the making of this film. And also, please, I'm gonna insert a time lapse now. Kindly do not bash us, because it's gonna show a clock of us doing it for 5 hours. Anyways, insert time lapse. Ah. It's like after I don't know, like what, 5 hours? To five hours with a 2 hour, which has 2 hour break. Finally finish it. Like Biraj, you want to comment something on this? Because most of the shot will be you on the time lapse.
I'm dead.
The next following scene will show a high quality B-roll of our new productivity desk. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's that. Thank you for staying up until the end of the video, and as a reward I will introduce myself. My name is Ralph. I am an IT professional with over 15 years of experience across different industries and multiple countries. Me and my partner recently decided to start our own IT company, TechHive, and if you're in need of IT professional support or just need that handy dandy guy to build your own productivity desk, do let us know and contact us at techhive.co.uk and we'll be happy to assist you. Okay, so if you're just one of those regular chaps that wants to build their own productivity desk, the products are on the description below. Do click that link, and for everybody else that just enjoyed the video, do let us know in the comments what part of the video you enjoyed the most. And to finish it off, do hit that like button, click subscribe, and press that notification bell to get notified when we release a new video. And again, thank you, and this is TechHive, where we make IT things happen. Insert outro video.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
Testing.
We recording?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, okay.